Hello everyone, my name is Greg from nobsstart.com and in today's video I will show you how to use AI Copywriter special for beginners. So why is that special for beginners? Because if you start and be like English is your second language, especially like me, so the AI Copywriter will help you to get structure and keep momentum and by creating your content. So let's dive in. I will log into mine. So I am logged into my home business academy, and you go for the HBA Premium. You click the button HBA Premium and it comes this face, and then the blue button is the Emerson Magic Copy Content Machine. So that's a link would help us to get asked question Emerson what to do for us. If you click the link, you get this document with everything to help you how to use the Emerson, what question you're gonna ask, and of course you can create your own questions, but that's the help just for the beginning. If you like to use it all the time, no big deal. So let's so you get this document to help, and I will copy these questions and put as here. Create an online outline for an email about AI tools. AI tool, for example, okay, and go Emerson. So that's your content, that's your outline, okay. Then you copy this. Oh sorry, I go Emerson. Okay, say again. Then you go and copy. You go to your documents and get paste, and you have your outline. Subject line: an introduction to the AI tool. And you have your outline, and that's how you create the email. If you have the outline, you can for every subject you can write email on the post, and so. And I suggest to copy this to the documents and change the content from IA to your own voice. That will be not get any trouble with SEO or and to be a little bit different, so it will be written in your own voice, right? So that's how the tool works. And the tool is a part of HBA Premium Traffic Conversion, which you get if you started to get funnel builder, you get 2 weeks time for free use of this to check this out, and everything what we have included. So we check this out, and if you like, and it's very helpful tools for me, because my English is second language, and that's why I'm using it very often. So if you like my content, please click the subscribe button, and we will be seeing us in next video.